I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yummy chicken. First, select fresh, high-quality chicken pieces, such as boneless, skinless breasts or thighs. It's crucial to pat the chicken thoroughly dry with paper towels before seasoning. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear and crispy skin. Then, season generously with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs like thyme or rosemary. This foundational seasoning is key to building delicious flavor. There are several fantastic ways to cook chicken, each offering unique textures and flavors. Pan-searing is excellent for creating a wonderfully crispy skin and a juicy interior, especially for thinner cuts. Roasting in an oven at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit ensures even cooking and tenderness throughout, perfect for whole chickens or larger pieces. Grilling, on the other hand, imparts a delightful smoky flavor and attractive char marks, ideal for outdoor cooking and a summery feel. Achieving the perfect doneness is vital for both safety and taste. Always use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Chicken is safely cooked when it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. After cooking, it's essential to let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. Don't skip this crucial step. To elevate your yummy chicken, consider some flavorful finishing touches. A simple pan sauce made from the drippings, a splash of chicken broth, and a knob of butter can add incredible depth. Garnish your cooked chicken with fresh herbs like chopped parsley, chives, or cilantro for a burst of color and brightness. Serve your perfectly cooked chicken immediately with your favorite side dishes, such as roasted vegetables or creamy mashed potatoes, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.